Besties. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? I have something for you guys. Okay, so in this tutorial, you guys already know what I'm going to be reviewing, and it is going to be the new Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Luminous Powder Blush, and I'm so excited. I did use the shade Happy, and I thought that Happy was like my go-to color. Do you guys see this pretty color? Like, do you guys see my cheeks? I know you guys see that. So I'm so excited, you guys. I cannot contain myself. I can't wait to show you guys all the shades, and yeah, we're gonna be using them in other videos, so don't think this is the last video you're gonna see. Be prepared. Be prepared to be sick of me when it comes to these blushes. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So before I start rambling, because girl, you already know, I'm gonna leave you guys right here, and let's just get into the tutorial. Besties, okay, so I am very, very hyped for this video, okay? So the product that we're going to be reviewing is from Rare Beauty. Oh my god, you guys see? It's a blush and a highlighter together. They're so beautiful, and honestly, I cannot wait to try them out, you guys. Doesn't Selena always look gorgeous? And I already know what blush I want to do or use. It's that pink one, the Happy. I love Happy. So this is the big pamphlet that we got right here. It's pretty big. I'm gonna keep this because I'm a blush girl. Like, I am a blush girl to the fullest. The Soft Pinch liquid blush that we're gonna be using is called Happy, and girl, it's so pretty. And it comes with the Soft Pinch blush brush. Both of those retail for $23. Always an Optimus powder blush is $28. So that is cute. So the dry blush cleaner. There's a cleaner. Hold on. Hold on, girl. Brush cleaner. I actually needed one. So it came in this little tin right here. So you clean your brushes with this. And I'm telling you, your brush is going to come out so clean. I think I'm about to swatch all of them. Like, that way you guys could see how it looks. Because I'm just so hyped. Like, I can't even contain myself. This is Happy, the powder blush. Okay. Girl. Look at this. Do you guys see that? Like, do you guys see it? Look at that. So beautiful. Ooh, okay. Look at that. Do you guys see that? And I just lightly dipped my finger. So wait till it's on my cheek because y'all already know what I do with blush, okay? This one is called Cheer. Okay, Cheer doesn't have its liquid lipstick. Liquid blush. You guys see that? Oh my god. Okay, so that one's Cheer, and you guys, it's so pretty. So the next one is called Joy. Ooh, gorgeous. Okay, so this is Joy. Look at this beauty. Oh my god, like, I'm glad it's picking up, but it's like even more beautiful in person. And I'm lightly touching it, like I promise. Like, let me see. Look at that. It has like more of a peachy. Okay, so this one's like pink. This is like light pink, and then this one's like more of a peachy color. Oh my god, it's gonna be so perfect for the summer. Girl, yes. Oh yeah. If you guys know me, I'm a summer baby, so you know I'm ready for summer, okay? But then I live in Vegas, so am I really ready for freaking summer? Yeah, I am. Like, I love the summer. Like, I love the heat. It's really bad. Okay, so this one's called Hope. Ooh, this one's so cute. Look at, do you guys see that? So pretty. Another, like, ooh. Okay, what color is that? Like, another, like, pinky, peachy color. I love the packaging. Let me show you guys. It's the same packaging. So this is the packaging. I haven't even showed you guys, so it does have the color on the top. Ooh, this is like a deeper pink, you guys. Oh my god. So this is the packaging. It's like the same as our other blushes, but this is like matte. Ooh. Girl, do you guys see that? Do you guys see that, huh? Okay, so the last one we have is called Love. Okay, girl, there's gonna be a color for everybody, and if you want to pick up all of them, pick them up because they're freaking beautiful. Oh my, this is gonna be good for your eyes too. Watch, I'm gonna do that. Oh yes, so pretty. Okay, so what color is this? Like straight up like terracotta orange? I don't know, like, girl, I am so happy, you guys. So they also come with brushes. This is one of my favorite blushes. Liquid blush brush. Oh my god, could I talk? Okay. This is like perfect. Like it hugs your cheeks. Like perfection. Do you guys see that? I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Happy. Like I am just like super excited to try this one. This one's Happy. It's like this pinky color. So I zoomed you guys in because I want you guys to see. You need a little bit, okay? But I'm a blush girl and I can handle a lot of blush, okay? So let's blend her out. The time has come. Okay, so this is Happy. So excited for that. Okay, wait, not yet. I'm getting too ahead of myself. Okay, hold on. Okay, so they did send over their powder brush. So we're gonna be using the shade Happy because I'm just happy right now. Do you guys see this pigment though? Yes, ma'am, we do. Okay, I'm excited. I already did on this side. I did a TikTok, so I did this one. So don't look at that one, don't look at that one. Act surprised. Okay, so, oh my God, you guys. This is, do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? I feel so cute, so confident. Like, I am definitely feeling myself, and Selena, you did this. You did that, and I am just in love with it. I can't wait to try the other blushes. I'm going to do another layer because I'm crazy and like, you already know, I love blush. I love it when it's like on the apples of my cheeks and you're just smiling and you're just like, like, I need to get off this, okay? I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. Okay, my loves, so I am back with my completed face and let me just say, you guys, it is so pretty. So again, I only use these two products and you guys, dynamic duo, and you guys already know my thoughts. I love them. I really do love them. They're gorgeous. They're perfect for summer. You guys, this blush is just gorgeous. It is beyond beautiful. Here's like a finger swatch. Very pretty. I'm obsessed, you guys. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm excited to try the other ones. They're all beautiful. I'm so excited to be able to review these products for you guys. So you see how I have blush right here? So this is made for just to like swirl it around to go in between other blushes. It doesn't have anything else no more. So that's cool. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what shade was your favorite shade. My shade was Happy. Like I really loved Happy so much. So I love that she made like a little pair for this, like a matching pair for this. Such a pretty combo. But before I let you guys go, make sure you guys do hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post and give your girl a like. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.